Now, some of you have been asking for information on 5 World Trade Center. 5 World Trade Center, right now, I believe is on hold. But if 5 World Trade Center is built, it would go somewhere in this area. Somewhere around here. It wouldn't be around 2, 3, and 4. It would be in this area, if built. I'm currently unsure on 5 World Trade Center. I really don't know if it will be built or not, because the last I heard it was on hold. But if it's built, it'll be somewhere in this area. Here is a look at the Vehicle Security Screening Center. Some more work being done right there too. Here's a good look at 1 and 4. Looks like we have some sort of spiral-shaped steel here. You have to look at that really closely. I'm now at the corner of Albany and Greenwich Street. Just going to bring you another look at 1 World Trade Center. The Freedom Tower. And Tower 4. Okay, I'm going to go around and get some more angles of 1 World Trade Center. Hey, I just noticed this. If you look right there, you can see a good reflection of 1 World Trade Center on Tower 4. You know, these glass panels do add a mirror type effect. Basically, when they're all completed, each building is going to be, I guess you can say, bouncing off the other ones in terms of reflections. But yeah, there's a nice reflection of 1 World Trade Center, or the Freedom Tower, whichever you want to call it. I think that's very interesting. At the corner of Washington Street and Vesey Street. Here's another look at Tower 4's work. Topped out at its 72 stories. More glass panels are being installed there. Let's continue. New location, West Street and Albany Street. It's another straightforward look at the Freedom Tower. Looks like we also have some workers cleaning windows. There's that small walkway on the base again. I just wanted to say, when the glass is completed on all the buildings, it is going to add an interesting effect to it. So when they are done, the buildings are going to basically be giant mirrors, if you want to look at them that way. So another look at the Vehicle Security Screening Center. And again, Tower 3's core. Again, it's not much progress, but it's something, because I could not see the core. In my last update, I was not able to see the core from West and Albany Street. So in there is the Vehicle Security Screening Center. And right there is Tower 3's core. Another good angle at Tower 4 for you. Again, I'm sorry if it's shaky because I'm walking right now. Looks like we finally have some glass going up in the front. Before it continues all the way up. I'm now at West Street and Liberty Street. Another forward look at Tower 4. Once again, there's Tower 3's concrete core. And now we're back to the Freedom Tower, One World Trade Center. Alright, I'm going to move further out towards the Hudson River. Look at Tower 3's concrete core again. It's very windy out here. You know, when I was on my way here, it was actually sunny. As soon as I got off the train, turn like this, cloudy. As long as it's not raining, I'm going to continue. Looks like those workers, they came down, and there's a bunch of them right there on that small walkway. So I'm guessing that's why they put that out there. I don't know if you can see them. They're really small, of course, because they're up there and I'm down here. But I believe that's why those are there, at least for now. These buildings are going to be amazing when they're finished, and I'm looking forward to them.